Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on PayPal. To change language on PayPal, you will not be able to do it within your PayPal application, so you will need to go visit paypal.com on a web browser. Launch open a web browser and type in paypal.com in the URL box. After typing in paypal.com, you will end up in the homepage of PayPal, where you'll need to log into your account. After signing into paypal.com, from the homepage, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the top right and you will be able to open up the Accounts tab. From the Accounts tab, scroll down until you find the language option and tap on it. You will then be able to see the list of language available which you can choose from and select one of the available language and you will be able to change your language right away. The availability of language may differ according to your region or your country, so some of you out there might not have a couple of options for language settings, whereas some of you out there might have a couple of language options you can choose from. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.